We'll get to the little problem spot
Right
and see
there.
how he reacts. Yeah. Oh, I saw that.
See 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow.
Oh, yeah. You can see where he reacts. Otherwise, he seems to kind of enjoy it.